Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Nama saya Noviandriani dari Prodi Pendidikan Bahasa Inggris dengan NIM 18821500039. Akan memenuhi tugas ujian akhir semester mata kuliah Pronunciation Practice dengan dosen pengampu Ibu Dini Hidayati MPD. For exercise 1 is explain based on your opinion why we need to learn pronunciation. I think why we need to learn pronunciation because learning a language is not easy. Every language in different countries has its own rules. In English, you can change the first letter of a word and suddenly you have to change the way you pronounce the rest as well. Meanwhile, words that look very different are sometimes spoken in exactly the same way. For example, I and I. It's a mistake to think that pronunciation is less important than the ability to read, write, hear, and speak. Pronunciation is the bridge between you and a native English speaker. This is the first thing anyone notices about you. When you start talking without clear pronunciation, message can be lost or confusing. The listener may even start to get frustrated because they don't understand what you are saying. Pronunciation is not about removing the accent, it's about making your English sound clear and different so there's no confusion about what you are saying. Next, for number 2, explain the definition of vowel. There is long vowel and short vowel and give the example. For long vowel in English sound just like the letter sound in the alphabet. Can also long vowels are vowels that we can sound long or long. Example long vowel. Vowel A, E, I, O, U. Example, A, name, E, meet, I, time, O, now, U, cute. Next, for short vowel. Short vowel sounds, on the other hand, have very different sounds. Short vowels are vowels that we can sound short. Example, short vowel. A, E, I, O, U. A, apple. E, egg. I, bit. O, fog. U, bat. Next, for exercise number 3, explain the definition of diphthong and give the example. Diphthong. Diphthong is a sound made by combining two vowels, particularly when it starts as one vocal sound and goes to the other. It literally means to have two voices. More specifically, diphthong is associated with vowels or vowels. Each vowel has its own short sound and its own long vowel sound. However, diphthong comes into effect whenever a vowel emits a new and different sound, usually working in conjunction with other vocal. Example, I cry, my like, bright, lime. EI, bake, rain, lay, egg, break. Next, number 4, explain based on your opinion why we need to spell the words correctly. Why do we need to spell a word correctly? Because spelling a word correctly is so important. As important as saying a word correctly, if you don't spell a word correct, you may not be able to be understood correctly. And also spelling, the art of correctly assembling words from their letters, is one of the essential components of successful writing. Being confident and spelling leads to confidence in all aspects of literary. Research has found that spelling, reading, writing, and comprehension skills are all closely linked. Next, number 5, explain the definition of homonym and give the example, at least 5 examples. Homonym also consists of two words, homo which means the same and nym which means name. So, homonym are a pair of words that have the same spelling and pronunciation but have different meanings. Example, tu sangat and tu dua, blue biru and blue sedih, type tipe and type mengetik, watch jam tangan and watch menonton, see laut and see melihat. Next, number 6, explain the definition of homophone and give the example, at least 3 examples. Homophone is each of two or more words having the same pronunciation but different meanings, origins, or spelling. Example, accept, menerima, dan accept, kecuali. Affect, mempengaruhi, and effect, pengaruh. Hear, mendengar, and hear, di sini. Next, number 7, explain the definition of homograph and give the example, at least 3 examples. Homograph is each of two or more words spelled the same but not necessarily pronounced the same and having different meanings and origins. Example, lean or thin, lean or raise against, bow bend forward, bow front of a ship, lead metal, lead start off in front. Thank you. Terima kasih. Sekian pemaparan jawaban dari tugas ujian akhir semester. Saya akhiri. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.